you can become a member of the Church's Conservation Trust for as little as £3.50 a month. Not only will you be contributing to a great cause, supporting some of England's most beautiful and traditional historic churches, but you will also be able to join me every month for a members lecture where we welcome eminent historians from Yanina Ramirez, Alexander Langlands, Amber Butchart and many, many more.
Thank you so much, Yanina. That was fantastic. A member of the audience even said your enthusiasm is infectious, and I completely agree wholeheartedly.
A warrior woman, incredible. First uncovered in the early 20th century by this pretty good archaeologist actually called Stolper.
Old
And he
Sarum
uncovered
before 1066, because it's a big Norman project. But what was going on before 1066 that helps us to put in perspective what the Normans were trying to do at Old Sarum?
Very, very expensive. All of that would have been before the Industrial Revolution. Textiles and clothing could be some of the most valuable things that people would own. It would be bequeathed in wills, passed down in generations, made and remade into new things.
And gosh, I've been completely bowled over by the treasures that you found in CCT churches. So yes, everybody keep looking.
In December of 1731, an anonymous author was preparing for publication of the third edition of an odd little work that, despite its somewhat unusual subject matter, had already taken Britain by storm.
We cover topics all the way from the Roman Empire to the Tudor Reformation and beyond. Please join today.